In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Docusign with Monday.com. First off, let's begin with the basics. Logging into your Docusign account. Head over to the Docusign login page and enter your account credentials. Be sure you have template editing permissions, which are typically held by admins or template owners. Having these permissions is crucial as they will allow you to customize and manage templates efficiently. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and click on Templates. This will lead you to your collection of templates. If you need to quickly find a specific one, use the search bar or apply filters like Owned by Me, Shared with Me, or All Templates to streamline your search process. Once you've pinpointed the template you wish to work on, hover over it and click the drop-down menu that appears as 3 dots. Choose Edit from the list. This action will open the template editor interface, where you'll have access to modify recipients, documents, and fields as needed. As we delve into editing, make sure to adjust recipient roles. For instance, these could be assigned as client, manager, or HR. You can also modify the signing order, especially if multiple signers need to be involved. Add or remove recipients in alignment with what the workflow demands. Now, moving on to updating the document within the template, you can either replace it with a new version or adjust existing fields to fit the new document's layout if it remains the same. This flexibility ensures your template stays relevant and accurate to its intended use. While in the Fields Editing section, you can drag and drop various fields from the Fields panel onto your document. Whether you're adding a signature field, a date sign field, text boxes, checkboxes, radio buttons, or drop-downs, you have the choice to mark each as either required or optional, tailoring them per your specific workflow needs. Next is updating your template settings. Consider making changes to the template name or adding a description if necessary. This can help in keeping your templates organized. It's also important to adjust the message that recipients will see when they're invited to sign, ensuring clarity and professionalism. Additionally, explore advanced options to set reminders, expiration dates, and signing authentication for an enhanced user experience. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the adjustments, go ahead and click Save and Close. Your updated template is now ready for use, seamlessly integrating with your processes in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and following along with this guide on integrating Docusign with Monday.com. Remember, with these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing your workflow efficiently and effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to consult the help section on Docusign or reach out to their customer